How to update personal information on HSBC Credit Card Account online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to hsbc.co.uk. Click on the register option if you are new to this. Click on the log on option and then click on continue with the browser. Now here you will have to enter your username. If you want your username to be remembered, check the box that says remember me. Then click on the continue option. After that, you will have to enter the password in order to be logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your username, you can click on the option of forgotten your username in order to retrieve it. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you want to check the profile settings. You should find the option to update various personal information such as your address, phone number, email address, and other contact details. Click on the relevant option to update the information you need to change. Depending on the type of information you are updating, HSBC may require additional verification for security purposes. This could involve answering security questions, entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email, or providing other forms of verification. After making the necessary changes, review the updated information to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with the updates, save the changes or confirm them as prompted on the website. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.